Hi guys, today I'm going to show you how to make a reversing microwave edit. Let's get started. Once you have your clips ready, press Ctrl plus Shift plus C to pre-compose if you have face tracked your clips. I have face tracked my clips, so I'm going to do it. Now select your first clip and press Ctrl plus Alt plus T to enable time remapping. Or you can do it by right-clicking on the composition and going to Time and Enable Time Remapping. Find the middle of your clip and add a new keyframe like I'm doing. Next, delete the last keyframe and copy the first keyframe and paste it at the end of the clip. Select all the keyframes and press F9 to easy ease. Go to Graph Editor and copy my graph. Add S_Blurmo curves effect to the clip. Make sure you are at the start of the clip and press the watch icon next to Z dist. Go to the end of the clip and make another keyframe. Select the two bottom keyframes and easy ease them like we did before. Go to Graph Editor and copy my graph. As you can see, the clip is great, but we need to start the other clips now. Select all the keyframes and press Ctrl plus C to copy them. Go to the start of the next clip and paste it with Ctrl plus V. Make sure you adjust the keyframe's location if needed, and do the same for the next clip. If the character is not center in the frame, then go to the middle of the clip and change the Y values, or drag the crosshair until it is perfect. This can vary on every character or clip. Now we are finished. If you learned something from this video, then subscribe and comment which tutorial you want to see next.